In this tutorial, I'll show you how to disable advertisements on Duckduckgo. By the end of this video, you'll have turned off personalized ads in Duckduckgo's privacy settings and applied the change so your searches use the new preference. First, open the DuckDuckGo browser or go to https://duckduckgo.com in your web browser. If you're opening the app, wait for the home screen to load. If you're on the website, make sure the page is fully loaded before continuing. Next, click the menu. This is the icon with 3 lines or 3 dots, usually in the top right corner of the screen. On mobile, it may appear at the bottom or behind a single gear icon. Go ahead and open that menu so we can access the settings. Select Settings. If you see more than one settings option, choose the main settings entry. The settings view may open in the same tab or a new tab. Either is fine. Give it a second to load. Now, go to Privacy. Look for a Privacy tab or a section labeled Privacy in the settings. If it's not visible right away, slowly scroll down until you find it. Click or tap Privacy to open the privacy-related options. From here, find Ads and Tracking. This is the area that controls ad personalization and related tracking preferences. If you have a long list of options, scroll until you see Ads and Tracking, then expand it if needed to view the available toggles. Turn personalized ads off. Look for the toggle or switch labeled Personalized Ads and click or tap it so the switch moves to the off position. When it's off, the label or color usually changes to indicate it's disabled. This change stops personalized ads based on your activity. Your searches and the browser will continue to work normally with this setting turned off, and you can always return here later if you want to adjust it again. Optionally, enable strict privacy protection. If you want stricter tracking protection, locate strict privacy protection in the same privacy area and turn it on. This setting increases privacy safeguards and can reduce tracking. If you decide not to enable it, you can leave it as it is. It's optional and can be changed at any time in the same place. Refresh the page to apply changes. On desktop, click the refresh button in your browser or press the refresh shortcut. On mobile, you can pull down to refresh or tap the reload icon. Wait for the page to reload fully so the updated ad and privacy preferences take effect across your Duckduckgo experience. At this point, your personalized ads are turned off, and if you chose to, strict privacy protection is enabled. Your updated Duckduckgo privacy settings are now active. That's it. Your setup is complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.